Welcome to xhosa predictors. Tomorrow everyone is going to vote, and there's a lot of narrative says ANC is gonna lose the vote. ANC is not gonna lead again. For my take, ANC is gonna win again, and then a party that is gonna dethrone ANC from the power, I don't see in this lifetime, because ANC is it's a big organization that has been respected all over the world. So to take ANC down is not easy. We understand that some of the political leaders in the ANC are not doing well. We all agree that ANC are not doing well at all. But when it comes to the ballot paper and put your X is another story, because what we say on the media is not what we're gonna do on the ballot paper. Because I'm not going to vote ANC, but the reality is ANC is not easy to take out of the power. ANC is a powerhouse, because when you look in terms of African continent as a whole, you'll find out South Africa, that is the only country that is progressing. Everyone is dreaming to come to South Africa. What does it mean? It means the government of South Africa is doing well. Because if ANC was so doing that bad as people say, I don't think the investor, they couldn't put money, the foreigners, they can come to South Africa. Everyone wants to come to South Africa because here and there there's a job opportunities, and number two, foreigners, they come here in South Africa to open their own businesses in front of us. In terms of starting business and so forth, South Africa is great. So ANC, one thing that is good at is allow everyone to have its own political party. That thing alone, it says a lot, because it says if you are not happy with ANC, open your own party. So what does it mean? It means that people, they try over a decade to start their own parties, but they didn't succeed as they wish. And other key elements, many of the political party, when they want to fight with the ANC, they start to campaign in that year the election will take place or is taking place. It's when they start to campaign. ANC are thieves, ANC this and that, is when they campaigning. I'm not going to vote ANC, but the reality is it's not easy, because what people they say in the media is not what they're going to do on the ballot paper. That is the serious problem. People, they saying something else on the media. When they go to vote, they vote ANC still. The only way that they can take it out, the ANC, is when three parties like DA, EFF, Umkhonto, if they can come together, they do what we call a collusion. They can win the country. But the biggest problem is that who's going to be a president of the country? If they do that, who's gonna lead the country? You see? So it's where the problem is. So without that collusion, I don't see anyone who can dethrone the ANC anytime soon. Because ANC, they know where to put their money. ANC, they put their money where their mouth is, because all the branches, ANC threw billions of rand so that people can be bribed, so that they can vote ANC. Dr. Klaas, amen.